Hi, students and friends, today in this video you will learn how to see Wi-Fi password on Windows 7.
Before starting, thumbs up and subscribe.
First we will find our router IP address. First of all, press window button and R at same time, type CMD. And click OK. Then type IP. CONFIG. Press enter. In front of default gateway is your IP address. Open any browser and type IP address. My username and password is written on back side of my router or Wi-Fi device. Mostly username and passwords are admin and admin. But if they don't work, then the username and password are written on your router or Wi-Fi device. And if you don't get your username and password, then click on I present on top and left side of video and you will be able to see your Wi-Fi password in another way which don't require username or any password. After login, click on wireless on left side. And now on security. Now you need to find a line which is, click here to display. By clicking on it you will be able to see your Wi-Fi password.
If you want to solve other problems and learn a lot of things, tips or tricks related to technology, then subscribe our channel and also press bell icon.